guys, welcome back. I hope you're well. Lovelula is here and I do love this box, so I'm very excited. If you're new here, hello, my name is Amy. Hit the subscribe button before you leave and come and join our YouTube family. We are a lovely bunch. With that being said, pop the kettle on, pull up a chair and let's go. Now, Lovelula is a beauty website. They're a natural beauty website, which is absolutely fabulous. You can get a wide range of products there. And as part of their service, they also send out monthly beauty subscription boxes, which is great. So all the products in the boxes, they're vegan, cruelty-free, they're organic, ethically, sourced, fair trade. It's just an all-round great box, and they really do put items in there that I just never think of buying, and it's just nice to try. I will put all the details in the description box down below. Sorry, trying to get that out, of how much I pay and shipping and things like that, and we will dive into this box. This is the bottom of the box because my address always gets stuck on the front, on the top, so I can't really show that. But I will give you a quick sneaky peek. They always pop in kind of like little leaflets, and on the back it just tells you about the products and things, and you also get 20% off of all the brands in the box for the month, which is wonderful. And here is a cheeky sneaky peek. As you can see, we've got a sample on the top there, and it looks like one of my absolute favourite brands is in there from Lovelula, so I'm excited. Let's just clear a space and make a bit of noise. So let's dive in. And the first item we've got here, it's from the Castilian Soap Company, and it's natural Castilian soap with peppermint and essential oils. This is a hand soap, I think. Yeah, I think this is either a hand soap or it's kind of like a shower gel. I suppose you could use it for either or. And let's give this a smell. I bet this is absolutely stunning, being peppermint. Oh yeah, that is minty. Yeah, that smells absolutely stunning. So I can't wait to try that. I am very pleased. Let's give you a little bit of info on what they say, and it's the Castilian Soap Company. It's a limited edition bottle, which is absolutely great. And it says the natural Castile soap with peppermint essential oil is a true liquid soap made with an organic Castilian soap base with natural vegetable oils and the finest quality of peppermint oil for refreshing, invigorating and uplifting. It's ideal for wake up wash in the morning. So yeah, you can use it on your body, and you can use it on your hands as well. So I will give that a go. I will see what the children make of it as well, because they love trying kind of like the hand soaps and shower gels. They watch my videos, which is really sweet. It's kind of why I keep them very child friendly. And they love trying all this kind of stuff, so they kind of feel like they're joining in, which is absolutely great. The next item in here it's a solid shampoo for oily hair with the scent of wild grasses, and I do apologise, I think it's from the brand Masuna, and it says rub the shampoo onto wet hair to work it into a lather and then rinse it. And this is what it looks like. It looks really cute. Now, I'm not a massive fan of solid shampoo. I can never get on with them. It looks like a giant kind of jelly sweet. Doesn't really smell of grass, but it's got quite a sweet scent to it. Yeah, I can smell sort of like marzipan, like almonds, like it's got almond oil in there. So that would be nice. Yes, I don't really get on with solid shampoos, but I'll try it. It's just they tend to make my hair feel very dry and brassy, and I don't like that feeling. I'm quite fussy with shampoo, I'm afraid. And it says here, the Masuna solid shampoo lasts as long as 2 bottles of regular shampoo, and the boxes are printed on recycled cardboard with vegetable inks. Oh, that's absolutely fabulous. So they are safe to compost. So I can pop this box in my compost with all the kind of bits and bobs that go in there. Yeah, I like that. I like doing my bit for the environment. Now the next item we have, it's from the brand Balm Balm, and it's a fragrance-free face balm. Now, this isn't sealed, doesn't have a plastic seal on it, but I'm not going to open it up because I have one of these. So I will show you that in a second. I'm going to pop this in my giveaway just because things like this last a long time, and there's no point in me having kind of two of them. But the one I have is the Lavender face balm. It's from the same brand, and I'll just show you kind of what it looks like and just how it rubs in. And this is a really nice balm. It says you can kind of use it on your face, but I'm very oily. I went a bit too mad with the highlighter today, so this isn't sweat. This is just too much highlighter. Yes, I cannot use this on my face, but where I do put it is sort of elbows, knees, ankles, those really dry spots, and where it's infused with lavender. And it really does smell of lavender. If you use this in the evening, it does help you kind of settle down at night. But like I said, this one is the fragrance-free face balm. So yeah, I'll pop that in my giveaway, and then hopefully one lucky person will have that. And then the next item we have here, this is what I'm really looking forward to. It's from the brand Ayumi, and it's the Bioactive Fairness Daily Facial Day Cream. And it says it's for marks, blemishes, age spots and pigmentations. It's cruelty-free and vegan. Now, I received the nighttime version of this in a previous box quite a while ago, and I fell in love with it. It was absolutely stunning. I've got a face mask from Ayumi that I'm currently using, and I absolutely love it. This brand is just amazing. So this would be sort of like the third or fourth product I think that I've tried, and the other three I can't fault them. So I'm really looking forward to this. And you get, there's 100 mils in this. That's a lot of face cream, which is absolutely amazing. So we will squirt a small part of this out. That's great, it's not sealed, so I haven't got to fiddle with my stubby nails, which is nice. So that's what it looks like. There is only one thing I will say sort of about this brand, is that yeah, they do use a lot of fragrance. It will be natural fragrance because it is, you know, it's a natural beauty brand, but yeah, there is a lot of fragrance in there. It's beautiful. This is spicy. It's like I've said before with the other cream. This is sort of like walking through sort of like a marketplace, and you can just smell everything that's going on around you. It is beautiful. But you know, if you are sensitive for fragrance, I would kind of avoid it because it is really strong. And Lovelula have said it's the Ayumi Facial Day Cream with an infusion of hydration. Fairness Daily Facial Day Cream has been created to add radiance to lackluster complexion. It has a blend of something I really can't pronounce. I'm not even going to Avradic. I do apologise. Blend of nourishing botanicals and peptides imparts a glow and luminosity to the skin. So it's absolutely great. And like it says on the bottle, it says it's great for sort of sun damage, blemishes, that sort of stuff. So I'm looking forward to using that. I've got a lot of that on my face at the moment. And the last one we've got, oh my goodness, what is it with popping brands in it? I just can't pronounce. This is the Dr. Hahushka, and it's the Soothing Day Lotion, and we've got sort of like a nice little sample here, which is great. I like these little samples. I think you just get to try so many different things. And Lovelula said, bring peace and calm to irritated skin with the Dr. Hahushka Soothing Day Lotion, which, you know, I think that's great, especially this time of year, and you can get sort of very sort of sun irritated skin. Something like that that's going to calm and soothe is going to be absolutely fabulous. And Lovelula have said the box values at £37, which I think is good value, especially with this in it. I'm so pleased with this. Yeah, there's this I am a little bit disappointed about, because I think I only received one of these probably 2-3 months ago. So it is, you know, it's a bit soon to be popping something in there like that. And we did have a hand soap last month. So I know this is sort of like a shower gel, but you know, it's a bit repetitive, but I'm still happy to use it. And like I said, I do really like this box. And it's kind of, this is the first one I've come across that really hasn't gone wow kind of thing, but I'm still pleased with it anyway. If you've got a Lovelula subscription box, I'd love for you to drop me a comment down below on what you think of it and what you thought of these products and what interested you the most. Now, thank you for joining me again today, and I hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, lovelies, please take care. Bye bye.